while I'm working, I'm busy. Then, my dalawang taong pumasok sa office because I thought they're gonna be like doing a print asking, but suddenly they're gonna sell for me, so it's okay. So, I buy this one pineapple, one mango, and also one cup of watermelon, but I already ate it. So this one I'm gonna try to do a eating this time because while I'm working, yeah, that's it. Masarap siya, masarap. This one. Spicy and a sweet one. This is a good combination. It's the same. Is sorry, pineapple. Pineapple. It's mango. Third one is mango. Ang cute naman ng ano ni ate. Meron pa siyang baga nito. Ay, let me see. Let's taste it. I'm gonna taste it. Kubet. Mas gusto ko ano. Like, suka. Suka at saka asin. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Magawa kaya ako sa bahay ng ano. Salt with chili. This one, like this. Asin. Asin.